Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Stellar Coin. In my previous videos, I have been showing you a cipher pattern that the price line of Stellar has formed on the long-term 2-week time frame chart. And this was a pattern that basically I shared here at the Patreon for my members. And I told them that the price line has completed a very big bullish reversal setup on the 2-week chart and entered the buying zone. First, let me to show you this chart, and then I'll take you to the live chart to show you what the price line is doing right now. Before this pattern, we had this bullish shark formation and the price action reverse bullish from here. Then the price line formed this bullish cipher pattern that currently the price line of Stellar has formed. And not only this, I'm also sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis for my members at the Patreon. And if you would like to support me here, then I've also shared the link to join me here in the video's description. You can find there. Okay, first I'm just going to play the chart to show you how the price line behaved, and then we will take a look at the live chart to have analysis what the price line can do next. And this is the chart. You can see the price line entered the buying zone, and we also had a very nice support of the 25 weekly, 2-weekly simple moving average as well. And I'm just going to play the chart, and you can see that the price action moved down at the very end of this buying zone. That was 22.48 cents. And from here, the price line reversed bullish. So far, we had a rally up to 41 cents. That is approximately more than 80% rally so far. And this is just the beginning. I'm expecting that it can be a big move, like previously I shared this big bat move with you that was formed on the monthly time frame. And I told you that we can expect a very big move from here. And let me play this chart as well to show you my previous idea. At that time, the price line was moving approximately at 7 cents and rallied up to 79 cents. That was more than 1000% rally from this buying zone of this big bullish bat move. And I'm expecting such move again from this buying zone of this big cipher pattern that has been formed on the 2-week chart. Now let's move to this weekly time frame live chart. In here we can see we have the different major support and resistance levels, and I've been showing you these supports and resistance levels in my previous videos as well. That we have a key level support at 20 cents, and the price action tested this key level support here on the weekly time frame and broke out the next resistance of 28 cents, and then broke out the next resistance of 35 cents. And I told you that we have this very strong resistance of 35 cents. We can see that previously here it has been breaking as a strong resistance, and here several times the price action tested this level as a support, and therefore it can again break as a strong resistance. And the price line broke out this resistance. Now it is moving back, and it is at this previous resistance as a support. It is retesting this level, and the price line is also struggling to break out this 25 simple moving average as well on the weekly time frame. And then we have after 25, below 25, we have this 50, and this red one is 100, and this yellow one is the 200 simple moving averages. So we have a complete open alligator mouth formation. You can see that we have the smallest time frame moving average above all. Then we have the bigger one that is 50. Then we have the bigger one that is 100, and the biggest time frame moving average that is 200 is below all. So this is a perfect formation of an open alligator mouth by the simple moving averages. And on the weekly time frame, it is a really very strong buying or bullish signal, and it can work as a very long-term support for the price action, like previously when we had this open alligator mouth formation here on the weekly time frame. The price line turned really very strong bullish, and we had the rally up to 79 cents. Therefore, once the price line will be able to break out this 25 simple moving average on this weekly time frame, then we can expect a very powerful rally, and that will be a long-term rally. Like previously we had this move from here from November 2020 to May 2021. And now if we switch to the daily time frame, previously I told you that on the daily time frame, there is a formation of a broadening formation, and every time whenever the price line is getting bounced by this support of this broadening formation, it is forming higher than the previous high. Therefore, we can expect another higher than the previous high that can be approximately at $1 during this bullish move that has just started. You can see that the price action has bounced by this support and moving towards the upside, and if it will be reached here at the resistance somewhere here, then it can be $1 or maybe more than that, because at the same time the price action has also moved up. It is also moving up from a potential reversal zone of this very big bullish harmonic cipher pattern. So conservatively, I'm saying you that we can reach to the dollar, because here we will have a resistance. But if the price action will break out this resistance of this broadening formation, then it can even turn more bullish. And we can also watch this move on the weekly time frame as well. If we switch to the weekly time frame, then we can see that this broadening formation is more visible now on the weekly time frame chart. Now here we can also observe that we have on the weekly time frame, we don't have a significant buying volume so far. I have placed this volume oscillator here. You can watch the values of the volume oscillator here. You can see that it is still moving in the negative territory. I'm expecting once it will be moved in the positive territory, like it was moved here in the positive territory and here as well, then we had big moves towards the upside, and this move has been started in fact, but once it will be able to reach in this positive territory, then the price line can start more faster move. And we can also see that this is the stochastic oscillator. It's just moving up from this oversold zone. So we have still a lot more capacity for this stochastic oscillator on the weekly time frame chart to move up. Previously, we have seen that when it was moved up from here, there was a very big move, and for the long time period, the oscillator, the stochastic, has been moving in the overbought zone. And after this move, in fact, at this time again, the stochastic has been moving in the oversold zone and just moving up. We can expect soon it will be overbought again, and till then we will have a very big move. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon. I have also shared the link to join me here in the video's description. You can find there. Take care. Goodbye.